Okay, I'm sorry the meeting got ended. I don't know. There was some issues, so it's fine. So we'll just start the session now. Okay. So let us start the session. We were discussing about the council. So we were going to continue the same part. Okay. So all of you have a look towards that. Yes, and I hope the screen is visible to everyone. And for a few minutes, I'm going to disable your chat session. And right now, your chat session has been disabled. So you all can have a look towards it. So after that, we were discussing about the Court of Justice. So it is the principal judicial organ. That is nothing but it is the main one. Principal means it is the first court which is going to take the decision regarding any of the issues which is going to happen. And then we have secretariat, the last main organ. So it is also one of the organ of UN, and it is organized along the departmental lines. That is nothing but for every department there will be secretariat. Say for example, department or office having different area or the action and responsibility. So say for example, so for the Bangalore there will be a separate department, for the Mysore there will be a separate department, and for Hyderabad there will be a separate department. So this is what the secretariat means to do. Okay, so it's organized along the departmental lines, and every department or office will be having a different area, and actions will be taken over here, and the responsibilities will also be given to them equal. So let me revise you this. All of you listen to me now. So here we have a trusteeship council, and this council has been made up of 5 member states, that is China, France, Russia, UK, and the US. And then we have International Court of Justice. So it is one of the judicial organ. That means if we get any problems and all, we'll go for court, right? Supreme Court is there, High Court is there. So in the same way, there is a principal judicial organ in United Nations. If any matter comes, they will go to this court for the justice. And then we have secretariat. So secretariat is organized along the every departmental lines, and every department will be having a separate office, and every area, separate area will be having, if anything happens to that area, the actions will be taken. Say for example, in your roads and all, you will be having your MLEs and all. If anything happens, they will take care of it, isn't it? In the same way, in United Nations also, every departmental lines is going to take care of the actions which is going to happen there. So I think you all have understood. So now you all can start writing, and once it is done, you all can leave your messages in the chat session. So all of you start writing this now. It's fine, there is no, okay, I'll underline, you can write that. Okay, so it is not only that whatever I'm going to underline, you should have to write that. Apart from that, you do have some points, every points you have to write and study. Okay, so there are 5 permanent members. China, everything you write, but whatever I have underlined in your book also, you just have to underline those points. Okay, na? Okay, I have underlined now. You can underline the same points in your book and you can start writing. Preetham, I cannot read your message. Can you send it for everyone? Yogita, it's done. Preetham, it's done. Okay. Who is writing still? Be quick. Complete it soon. You have last 2 more minutes to write. Complete it soon. Sai, Pritchwell, Sunny for everyone. Sammy, it's done. Okay. Who's writing still? Be quick. Okay, anybody is writing still? If you're writing still, you can take the screenshots. Please take the screenshots if you're writing. Okay. I hope you people have taken the screenshot. Yes. Now, enable your videos. All of you enable your videos. Yes. Okay, stop writing. You have taken the screenshots. Later you can write. So it is like a secretary, Sunny. Okay, all of you stop writing and listen. Okay. So did you all understood, all of you? Yes. So this is how your GK will be that. And once I complete the chapter, you will have your QA session and every question will be having the 4 options and you have to choose one of the correct answer among them. Okay. You haven't taken the screenshot. I said you to take the screenshot, right? What you were doing on that time? Huh? Last time I'm showing you, if anybody wants to take it, you can take. Whenever I tell you people, you won't take it, Alva. Take it soon. Okay. I think you have taken the screenshot now. It's a fraction of second you can take, man. Yes. So now, all of you show your books. Let me see how much you people have written. Show me your books. Good. So you people have to improve your handwritings, everyone. Okay, leave your books down now. So now you all have written something, Galva. You all have written the notes, right? So please go through that notes. Study that. Okay, whatever I have given, study that. So before you're going to come to my next session of GK, I want everyone to learn these concepts and come. Okay, so will you? Yes. So let me revise you all the things, whatever I have discussed today. So today we started a new chapter in the GK called United Nation. In that we studied the meaning of United Nation, and along with that we studied about the 6 main organs of United Nations. In detail, we have studied about each and every organs. Yes or no? Yes or no? Say me yes or no, everyone. Yes. Okay. And I hope you people is going to read that. And in the last mathematics session, I gave you people some work, and I hope you people will do the work, whatever the work I have assigned. I said you people to maintain the formula book and write the formula. So please do write that. Please to complete that mathematics work. And GK, coming on to the GK, United Nation. Apart from whatever I taught you, okay? Apart from that, listen to me carefully. Again, it will not be repeated. So in my next GK class, apart from whatever I taught you regarding the United Nation, you can either learn the same thing whatever I taught, or apart from that you can google something and you can learn something regarding the United Nation. And while coming on to the next class of current affairs, I want any one of you to talk. I'll choose who is the person to talk, and I'll ask one person, and that person need to talk about the United Nation for a 2 minutes. Okay, about the United Nation, you have to talk for 2 minutes. It is either can be the same points whatever I taught you, or apart from that also. Okay, I will only choose which is the person, and that person has to tell. Is that fine with you? Are you all clear with this? Will you complete this work in the next session? You must have to complete the work. Okay, so fine then, it's been time up, and I hope you all have understood today's session. And with this, let me wind up today's session. And thank you all for attending the class, and meet you all in the next class. So bye-bye. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe, and do the work whatever I have given. Okay? So bye-bye.